सो फ्रेंड्स, ये जो आप देख रहे हो, ये लोगों ने दिए जलाए हैं अपने घरों में। ये दूर दूर तक, ये देखो, ये लाइटें लोग जगा रहे हैं यहाँ से यहाँ तक। तो ये जो है, यहाँ से देखो आप, ये चारों लोग जो हैं लाइटें जला रहे हैं। सो दीज आर द सिंबल्स दैट वी विल हैव टू मेक इट, which is very important. So even this is basically they are just making, they are showing the symbol of unity over here. Behind it, if you see, so the whole lights, even this is the way, even you see that this is the biggest light over here. So this is the noise, even you can see if I will make little zoom, I will show you over here that they are showing the symbol, and it is representation of unity. So even you see that the people are gathered together over here, the symbol. Even over here you see that the people are enlightening light over here. So these are the lights, because of even Mr. Narendra Modi, the Prime Minister of India, said that together enlight the lights to get people know that this is the dangerous virus ever. And over here I will show you, this is over here, see, somebody has made this is basically जो दिया है वो है, दिया जला रखा है। इसके साथ ही ये जो दूसरा है यहाँ पे, ये दूसरा यहाँ पे आपको दिख रहा है, somebody is moving with torch। एंड आपको मैं शो करूँगा, ये देखो कितना बड़ा सिंबल लगा रखा है स्ट्रीट लाइट का। सो 9 मिनट बोला गया है करने के लिए, तो 9 मिनट चल रहा है, because you see the people over here, they are standing together. Some people are over here. Even after this you see that this is the symbol. People are enlightening. So this is basically what, that they are together. So somebody is lighting light there in front of my home. So this is basically, time's up. After 9 minutes, everybody say that time is over. Now they are going back, and so you see that it was a symbol of unity. So now people has made their lights on. So thank you very much for watching this video. I will request at the end kindly share, subscribe and like. Thank you very much.